Fat bomb is really just a combination of really simple ingredients. I'm not a big fan of dishes, so I am going to use this measuring cup to mix everything in. It's all going to be one simple dish to clean up in the end. So we're going to start with the coconut oil that Beth so kindly warmed up for me so that it's liquid and pourable. So we have 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and then 1/2 cup of any kind of nut butter. I'm using the Simple Truth almond butter today. The nut butter is going in with the coconut oil.
Yes.
And then we're going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and then just 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. Like I said, you can substitute whatever kind of sugar you like. Coconut sugar, monk fruit, you can use swerve. So, and then just a little pinch of salt. You know, salt brings out the flavor in everything. It really does.
It really does.
And then we're just gonna stir it up until it, much like your raw chocolate, we're just gonna stir it until all the ingredients are combined. And then I have one other little tip for you. So we can either use this and pour it out of this container and just pour it into those little papers, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator and it will set up, and then it will be ready to eat. Or if you're in a hurry, you can put it in the freezer. It takes about 10 minutes in the freezer and it's set up and ready to eat, and they just melt right in your mouth. And so you can just pour your fat bomb mixture into this.
Oh, very nice.
And then you don't have to worry about making such a mess. So then you're just gonna pour this into your little papers. You can use a mold if you like, but you don't have to have anything fancy. You could use an ice cube tray, just anything that will allow it to have a certain shape, whatever you like. And then you'll, like I said, pop it in the refrigerator or freezer, and in 10 or 20 minutes, it's ready to eat. You can also put some little sprinkles on top. I've got some more coconut sugar. I've got shredded coconut, maybe some chocolate chips.
Nice. Congrats to you.
You too. You're the best.
Medicine.
You got it. I have chocolate on my face. Right?
I know.